What's up, you guys? So, I was out flying the other day at the park, was taking some great videos, got some great footage, but you're not going to see that footage because my video screen decided to cut out all of a sudden. I put my quad into auto hover, horizon mode, and it just decided to not listen to any of my commands, and it just took off. So, and it went blank on my screen, so I have no idea where exactly it decided to just stop listening to me like a bad child. But I went looking for hours, over a couple of days at this park. It was a new location, and I left the park that night empty-handed over the past couple nights, and well, someone out there is going to find a really nice, probably in pieces quad, because I ended up just cutting it out, just straight disarming it, and it went out of audio range. I don't have audio on the camera, so yeah, it went out of audio range from what I could hear, and I didn't hear it come down anywhere, which means it didn't land anywhere close. This park was pretty big, and there was a lot of places it could have gone. It could have gone out into the street, because there was a street right there. It could have gone over to this big library, landed on the roof there. There's a fire department right next door. It could have landed over in their little sector area. I searched high, I searched low. I was climbing trees. I broke the cardinal rule. I flew without a spotter, but I mean, I don't really have anyone to spot for me, so that's just something I have to do. So yeah, no, that was very disappointing, very disheartening. I hopefully should get a new setup here soon, start building up something new. I mean, I still got my workbench, I have my goggles right there, I still got my transmitters. I lost one of my brand new batteries, and that exact moment, the flight before, one of my batteries just kind of said, you know what, I'm done. So I disposed of that properly, of course, but so I'm down to just one battery left, so I'm going to have to replenish that battery stock, start a new build from scratch. But in the meantime, I was able to kind of look through my videos, some old stuff that I had there, and I actually found one of my old quad videos from the very first Airhog, which, as you see, I have hanging out right here. It doesn't work anymore, but I have it right here because I like to use it as like a visual reference if I'm thinking of how to do a trick of some sort and how exactly that would fly through the air and whatnot. So as you can see, I decided to put some nail polish on it and paint it up, make it so I can see it, and the motors on that are just shot, and it's really not worth it to get it back up and running. It would cost more to replace those motors than just to go out and buy the $40 drone again. But I'm going to use that $40 to put towards the new build. So yeah, I'm looking now to just hopefully in the next, I don't know, I have no idea. Hopefully soon I get a new little setup. I'm thinking of building the new Wizard drone. Well, not new. It's definitely an older drone, but the Wizard X220 from Eishin. I like that it's a little bit smaller than my previous quad. A lot of my gear, my headsets and everything are already Eishin. Eishin. My correction, difficult word to say. But yes. So I'm hoping that it won't cost too much to put together and that I can get it back up in the air soon. But in the meantime, enjoy this new video of my oldest quad. Now, it doesn't have acro on it. It's just a toy. It's the Airhog. Where's Johnny FPV? But yes, it's an older drone. But it flew pretty good. It was a Wi-Fi connection to my phone. It came with its own little headset, which I don't think is in here. Yeah, actually, if you look right there, there's the headset for it. Basically just a VR box, but yeah, no, I have fun flying that thing. And this is one of the first videos I ever made with the drone. Enjoy!